Yo, what's up? It's your boy Lispa Mutupi. I'm back again onto my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for actually coming back. If you are already a subscriber, if you're not, you can make sure to just hit the subscribe button. I do post a lot of valuable content. I'm a successful forex trader. I've been in the business world for over 8 years, so I'm experienced with whatever that I have to say to you guys. So please do just make sure you stay tuned and watch this video. So on today's topic, we're actually going to be speaking about how I was able to secure 20%. I think it was like 21% in just a single week from three positions. So that's one thing that I'm gonna be showing you guys. It'll be from AUD JPY. It's a trade that I shared in the premium group. It'll be from gold. Also, I shared with you guys onto this YouTube channel, and also it was like USD ZAR. So I want to show you guys like the thought process, not actually like diving into the thought process behind it and all those things, because on gold you did see it, like you saw what it looked like before I even took the trade, but I want to show you guys what actually happened afterwards. And most importantly, I want you guys to stay with me up until the very end, because that's when I'm going to be showing you guys the most important lessons that I was able to take down from being consistent into the market for close to 3 years, because I've been trading for like 3 years, ever since 2017. So yeah, I've been in the game for quite a longer time. But I want to show you guys like the most important thing that I learned: to be consistent, like, to be able to make 21% in just a single week. It's not a month, it's just a single week. So I'm going to be showing you guys just that. Make sure to just like this video. Make sure to also hit the subscribe button if you're getting a lot of value, and let us jump onto the charts right away. Oh guys, and I want you guys to stay with me up until this very end, because at the end I'm going to be showing you guys how important it is for you guys to actually be able to be consistent, and how you can be consistent, how you can be able to make maybe something like close to this results in just a week, because 20% in a week is not that simple. It's actually, it needs a lot of hard work, dedication, whatever, that all these things that you keep on hearing about. So I need you guys to stay with me up until the very end of this video. That's when I'm going to be giving you guys one thing that I was able to take down from me being able to get these results. And at the same time, I'm not promising you that these are the results that you're going to get as soon as you become my member, because I still have members in the group that can't make 20% in a week. Even me, I don't make 20% in a week consistently. Not each and every week I make 20%, but the fact that we're able to make it, being able to follow our trading plan, actually means a lot. So as you can take a look at, this is actually what happened with USD ZAR. But let me just go back onto the Telegram group where I shared it. As you can see, I'll just go in the Signal group and just close this down. I'll just go into my Signal group here. You can see I shared this USD ZAR trade as soon as it was here. We took a buy on it. Our stop loss was super small right here. Target was obviously bigger because of this beautiful pattern. And as you can see, stop loss, whatever, sell now. I was supposed to say buy now. As you can see, this is the price, the current market buy. And also TP, take profit, is right here. As you can see, it's the same number, 16,56552, 16,56552, as you can see. So at the end of the day, what actually happened is, just by coming back onto my website here, you can simply see that we're able to secure some profits from it, because what actually happened is that price started pushing upwards. We took an entry here, and then we pushed upwards, came a bit to the downside, and actually made a mistake with this one. It's funny because because remember, I'm also trading Nasdaq, so I went into Nasdaq with one lot. So while going on to USD ZAR, I went in with one lot, so it was a mistake that I made. And it started by saying -80, and I noticed that, wow, I made a mistake by going into with one lot. So instead of just closing the trade automatically and taking the -80 that I didn't want to take, I left it, and then it pushed a bit to the upside. I think it gave me like, I think it was like $1,400 when it was like still here, because it was like a big lot size for USD ZAR. And then I took 0.90 out, so I closed like maybe I don't know, I'm not too sure, but I closed like $200 in just like a few minutes. And then I ended up just going, I left that 0.10 to float, because I'm much more comfortable with that. And this actually happened. It went upwards, came down, at the retested here. Could have seen this as an entry, but unfortunately we didn't. But this could have been another entry, and we just left it, and then it went all the way to the upside. And as you can see, even here in the group, I think I told them, what was it? Yeah, I was like, okay, move stop loss to here. Okay, not gold. I'll show you guys gold, because I'm also going to dive into gold, but it's just these are move stop loss to here. It means that it's in profit now, so we're trying to lock as much profits as possible. So we locked profit somewhere here, and then finally it went all the way to the upside, hit profits. I think it took like less than a day, I'm not too sure, but yeah. And I just wanted to show you guys that gold on its own, USD ZAR on its own gave us 5.8%, 5.88%. So I want us to actually go on, well, adding up these numbers now. So this one gave us 5.88%. Remember, I said that I don't take a trade that's less than 3%. So it gave us 5.88%, which is USD ZAR. Was super amazing, you know. I won't lie, this trade was super amazing. So let us go on to the next one, which is gold. I just wanted to show you guys how we're able to secure this one here, and obviously, you know, the thought process of it. This is an impulsive move pattern that confirms impulsive move to the upside, a pattern that continuation pattern to the upside. So obviously, after this third touch here that I saw, was able to spot this beautiful buy trade. So obviously went to the upside with it. So let me come on to gold and see if this one here, okay, gold, I won't really dive into details with this one here, because this trade, if you didn't make money from this trade, then you're actually missing out from this channel. Like, then this channel is not really helping you out, because this trade, I actually done a live session on it. You know, it was still somewhere here. I was like, guys, I'm gonna be selling this trade. See what actually happened afterwards. I posted the video. I think the previous video, the one that I posted on Sunday, I was speaking about gold, and let me show you guys how it was before all of this actually did happen. Okay, this is the USD ZAR. Okay, obviously, as you can see, this is actually what actually happened afterwards. This is where we locked in profits and stuff. But let me just see if we can spot gold. Okay, this is AUD JPY, not this one. Okay, this is the Nasdaq that we went in on. Okay, this is the gold. Nice one. Okay, gold, this was where we took our entry. Stop loss was obviously somewhere close to here, and our target was all the way down to here. As you can see, gold sell now. Our target is like 156687. So let's see, 156687. Somewhere here, 1566, yeah, 156687. This is the right at the 90%. This is our target here, and our stop loss obviously is here, and this is where we entered while it was still here. So it actually went to the downside. You know, it played around with us a bit. I still took in a few trades, scaled in a bit on it, and then eventually it went, give us another entry here, but I didn't take this entry because I just wanted to lock as much profits from this one here. Continued going to the downside, hit our target here, then it still continued going to the downside, but obviously we're out at this time. But this was a beautiful trade. I won't lie, this gold trade was super amazing. You know, we made a lot of money from it. I executed these trades from my different accounts also. So I'll also try to put a few pictures maybe on the side, just to illustrate to you guys that not only me, I made money, but also the people that are in the premium guidance group, because I also shared with the members that are in the premium guidance group, and also the people that are in the signal groups, obviously, because I share with the signal groups. Every trade that I take, I share with the signal members. So also, okay, I just wanted to show you guys what percentage we scored on this one here. Okay, let me just zoom out a bit. Remember to stay with me up until the very end to learn how you can be able to just secure profit, you know, like be consistent within the markets. Okay, as you can see, we scored close to 10.7%, which is 10%. So far on USD ZAR we scored 5.8%. On gold we scored 10.75%, which means that we are now in over 15% profits now. So let us go on to AUD JPY 2. As you can see, AUD JPY, super amazing. This one didn't take long to play out. Okay. And obviously, guys, I share with my premium members. You know, we dive into top 6 pairs. So I mean that these are the 3 pairs that actually played out. The other ones, like let's say for Nasdaq hit me with stop loss. I think the other ones I couldn't get an entry because as soon as the market opened, it actually impulsed away from where I wanted to enter. So that was a disadvantage for me, such as pairs such as AUDK. As soon as the market opened, it wasn't on where I wanted it to be, so I had to just look for something different. So I couldn't secure an entry on that. And I'm not sure about the other pair. Maybe I took one loss on it, but at the end of the week, at the day, those losses are just a negative 1%. And even if, let's say, I lose 5 trades, let's say I lost 5 trades, and now I made 21% from just this, you can simply see that 21% minus 5 is what is 16. I'll still be in profits of 16%. You guys need to understand that being consistent in the markets is very important. So let me just go and show you guys AUD JPY. Maybe I'll have it somewhere here. There we go, AUD JPY. As you can see, AUD JPY, we took our sell right here. Stop loss was like close to here. Target was obviously in the 90 rule. You can simply see sell now. Take profit was like we're at this limit, and our take profit or whatever it is. Stop loss was like here and stuff. So let me just go back here. This is that exact trade that you guys saw. I shared with my members, and we ate. It went downwards a bit. I was making a few profits here, I remember. And then it went a bit to the upside. Luckily, we didn't lock in profits here. Then it started giving us this beautiful rejections and all these things that we needed. I could have seen another entry because afterwards, I actually made less money than I was supposed to make, because all the trades that made me money was supposed to make me double that amount of profits because of all these opportunities that they kept on presenting to me. Because just take a look at this. After this entry, this was supposed to be another entry, and I was just supposed to move my stop loss maybe somewhere till here, then scaling on this. But eventually we went home with 4.46 percentages. As you can see, 4.46% is like when you add that 5.8 from USD ZAR, when you add 10.75 from gold, and when you add this 4.46 from AUD JPY, it gives us a total of 21.09 percentages in just a single week. Imagine 29.09% in just a single week, meaning that if you've got like a $10,000 account, you just made how much? You made $2,100 in just a single week, which is super amazing. You know, online, that's super amazing. And obviously at the end, I think which one is this? Okay, yes, these are, I showed you guys. This is that AUD JPY, and okay, I think I didn't share with the other one. I also had gold on this one here, but it was really an amazing week. So let us now jump onto the way whereby I am sure the ones that stayed with me up until this very end, you wanted to know how I was able to secure this 20% in just a single week on just 30 trades. So let me now jump onto the last section whereby we speak about how you also can learn to do such. I promised you guys that if you stay with me up until this very end, I'm going to share with you guys what actually helps me stay consistent in the markets for as long as I've been consistent in the markets, which is more than a few years, I'd say. So what actually happens is that with the chaser strategy, the strategy that I trade, it helps me to be able to have stop losses that are less than 30 pips, but targets that are way more than 30 pips. I'm speaking targets that are like 200 pips, way more than that. And normally my risk reward method is like 1:3. I don't take a trade that's less than that's giving me less than 3 percentages. So I always target, I make sure that I'm losing 1 to gain 3 or more. So that's one thing that actually helps me stay consistent in the markets. And the other thing is by taking losses. You know, to be honest, taking losses actually helps me stay consistent in the markets, you know, because when I take a loss, I actually learn a bit from it, and then I'll be able to just see what actually went wrong into my trading plan or into me executing on the trade. And to be honest, like recently, I noticed with trading Nasdaq, you know, I've been trading it in a way whereby it was actually helping me out in the way. But since the previous week I took 2 losses. I took 2 losses from Nasdaq. I think it was like a total of 4,000 rands. Only someone would be like, it's a lot, but it's not a lot when we're speaking about the amount that like the account balance that I have now. So after taking these 2 losses, I was able to just see, and I went back to the trades that are helping me win. I noticed that okay, no, that time when I won more, I was actually trading a method whereby I was using the retest method. So instead of just it breaking out and then going upwards or downwards, whatever, because normally I buy only, so I'd say upwards. So instead of it breaking out, buying, and then me going upwards, one thing that I was doing is that it was breaking, and then when it comes back down to retest, that's when I'll place my buy. One thing that I like about that is that obviously it's at the higher low, and it gives me a very small stop loss, which allows me to capitalize fully from Nasdaq or whatever trade that I'll be trading at that time. So basically what I'm trying to say is that learning and showing and keeping on evolving in my strategy and my structures, the way that I see the market, is actually one of the most important things that have helped me stay consistent. I need you guys to actually focus on learning. I need you guys to actually focus on making more mistakes, because the more mistakes you make, the more you're gonna learn. And at the same time, guys, I still have this free Telegram group. I'm running free signals that I'm gonna be giving out to all you guys that just register. All you have to do is just register using my broker, and then show me that you did just that, funded with the minimum account balance, and then that way you'd be able to get free signals from me. I'm gonna create a group, put you guys in there for a month, full April month. I'm gonna be giving you guys those signals to just help you guys be able to just grow your accounts, you know, because I think it's also much better for me to give back, you know, because in the past 2 months I was able to make a few profits from the markets, you know, that helped me be extra more confident. And also, like, one of the most important things that I wanted to share with you guys, that it's very possible, because I know for some people they've had $200 accounts, they've had $100 accounts, but they've never actually had the benefits of seeing that $100 account turn into a $1,000 account, turn into a $10,000 account. That's one thing that I want to do. I want to show you guys that these small accounts that you guys have can actually grow into bigger accounts. I still, till this day, some days I can just fund my account with $100 to $200, and then I just play around with it, you know, and I'll see myself growing it. At times, yes, I can even lose a few profit, lose a few money from it, a few I don't know, percentages from it, but at the end of the time I end up growing it. So I want you guys to end up believing that it's very possible to grow your account. Please do just make sure to just if you guys want to know want to know more about it, want more full details about this free signals, just go into my Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the description. You'll be able to see it perfectly there, because that's when I am a bit more I'm explaining into details and stuff. So please do just make sure to do that. Visit my Telegram group. At the same time, thank you so much for watching this video. It's a boy Lisiba Mutupi. I've got this free training for you guys. Also, I'll put the link in the description. You can get the free training. I always like to give you guys free things. If it's not the Forex Jesus 2.0, obviously it's free things. So make sure to just check it out. Like this video, comment, tell me what you guys think about it. Tell me what you guys think about making 20% in just a single week, and then I'll just wait to hear from you guys. Tomorrow I'll be posting another video too, where I'll be showing you guys the market, what actually we can expect from the market in the coming week. I was analyzing earlier this morning, and it was so amazing to see all these pairs that are ready. I can't even wait to share the top 6 with the premium members, and maybe share 1 or 2 trades from there with you guys. So thank you so much for watching up until this very end. Your boy Lisiba Mutupi.